Welcome back to another episode of the Honest Channel. Alright, today I have to go, remember I showed y'all that tire in the last video, which would be this one. I have to go and get that replaced. I hope and pray I make it, because it is showing metal or wire. I don't know if we'll be able to see it. We'll wait till they take it off, and then I'll show y'all. But like I said, those in the back is okay, so I pray I make it to Pittsburgh and back home. Stay tuned.
1 hour later.
So we just lost power, and my gas lights are flickering. I've already replaced the alternator and the battery. It just started losing power until the pulley went bad. So, alright guys, so once again, I am here at Laura Garden Tire Service. I have to bring the kicks tomorrow to get the two front tires installed on there. And yeah, I always come here. They're affordable and pretty nice people. So let's go here, see what they did for us. Okay, yeah, see the difference. See the difference. And I think this is the one that we had on the kicks. But for right now to work, I'm thinking about purchasing some 20s. Oh yeah, way better. I'm thinking about purchasing some 20s for the van. Hopefully that'll work out in my favor. Let's see if we can find. See if we can find that old one. Maybe they put it back in here. I don't know, but this is the matching one. But they said that this one is not as better as the one that's over here. But hey, can't complain. So y'all stay tuned. I got some stuff I'm working on. I gotta do some work to the kicks myself. That's the shops is charging way too much goddamn money. And I kind of refuse to pay $1,200, $1,300, $1,500. Does this thing look, yeah, that looks hella tiny. That looks hella tiny compared to that one. But it'll work for right now. Let's see. Squeal went away, but we just lost power. Oh yeah, that thing is bad. What the hell? The camera. This thing is hot. That was the pool. Shaking. And he said I had a vacuum leak, as y'all can hear. So I gotta make sure I get those things addressed. But stay tuned to the Honest Channel. Like, share, comment, subscribe. It's the first time joining, you don't really know what the hell going on. This is the 02 Town and Country, purchased last year, March 1st, 2024. Got it with 199,000 miles. She's a one owner. One lady had it, gave it to her daughter. Daughter had it. Crackhead husband had it. And they just did some tweaked out shit to it in a sense, but they didn't replace nothing. Like nothing. 200,000 miles later, now I gotta replace every damn thing. So this may not be the final van of the channel, but for now, we're gonna take it. We're gonna fix it up. We're gonna make it look like something. I already done put. Well, I'm going with a better tweeter setup, but this is a little tweeter. I got an extra speaker there. I got one extra over there. So she got a little thump, she got a little thump. So I put the little 12s in here, 15s or 10s. I don't know what the fuck. I don't know. I got a 15, but shh, don't tell nobody. But yeah, y'all, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Whoa, yeah, that's too low. That tire is way too little. But it don't drive as bad now. I do feel a little. Oh man, I thought this was an exit. Do feel a little weird, but 235, 45, 18. Let me get out and check that before I drive off. Anybody know what this is? This is my negative. That's my positive. This here is connected. What do you do? What happened? What crack? Welcome back to the channel. So, dealership said we need brakes and rotors for the 2024 kicks, which really ain't surprising. It's about $40K on the original ones. So they said $300 and something per axle, and then a fluid flush 100 and some. I got the receipt. I'm actually going to include that in this video. Y'all know me. Y'all know that ain't nah, bruh. No, you not gonna tell me $1,700. So I hit the folks up at Rock Auto. Surprisingly, they actually had parts for the car. I had looked like last year when we first got the car to see like would they have any parts or replacement parts just in case, and they did. So this would be, if I'm correct, hold on, let me get the box out. Yep, the brake rotor. I believe this is for the rear. You ordered 2 of them. It don't even tell you right here. I thought it would have said it right there where it's like rear or whatever. But it don't tell you. But I believe these are for the rear. Let's see. See, y'all can see right there. Rotor, brake pad. I believe it's for the front. Because I ordered 2 for the front. And then I have to order 2 for the back. But here's the brake pads. Take them out. And yeah, y'all, I decided I'm not paying them $1,500 to do something I can do in my backyard. So that's what we're gonna do. That's the next episode of this video. I'm going to include me at least attempting to fix the kicks. So stay tuned. Okay, so they sent the brake pads like this in a towel. Bro, I've never received parts in a towel. And then they have the clamps with grease. Oh, here's the instructions on how they work. Oh, cool. Alright, yeah. So the next part of this video would be me jacking up the car, and I'm going to go out to attempt to see what all work I have to do and if I could do it. So if not, we're going to find a damn shop for affordable, not no damn $1,700. So alright, subscribers, so I already got the rim off. This back here, it would be a 9/16 is what I use. That's as close as I got. It was able to break it loose, so I would say that that's it. And to remove your caliper, you would use a 17. This. I'm probably not going to remove the caliper today. I'm probably going to just do that tomorrow. Now I'm trying to compare this brake pad from the outside to this brake pad. It says it's for the front, but I guess let's see. So let's go.